Now, even if they give you China for prison, you don't go. I remember my first car. I wouldn't call me. He was not in Ghana. I think he was in Cameroon. He was here to come here. We were talking. He said, he wanted me to go.
If you can hear me, I want you to type in the comments. Provoked, provoked, provoked. I want to see if you can hear me or you can see me. Can see Lydia Sare, Geyevu, Hannah, Bless Hallow, Francis Asare, Amwa Richmond, Sharon, Edna, Amwakun, Anani, Ken, and Latte. Or I think people are still saying that they are on standby, admit or Okay. Can you see me? Can all of you see me?
Yes.
Good. So if you can see me, type. If you can see me and you hear me clearly, just go to the chat room and type provoke, hashtag provoked. Provoke. The training is very, very short, okay? It's very, very short. We are not going to waste time here. Well, some people are running foul. So let's all try to mute. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, please. I can hear you.
Okay. Good. That's nice. You see, in our business, one thing we do is training. If you don't train, it will be very hard for you to make it in this business. So it's training. Training has been part of me for a very long time. Okay, training has been part of me for a very long time. I do it every day. I never get tired of training. So if you are going to be in this business and you want to make it, it's going to be it's surely going to be training. You should be ready to train. 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 It's all about training. People say, oh, I know by now people are expecting what they think they know what I'm coming to say. Yes, that is the main reason why a lot of people don't make it in this business. If you claim you know everything, if you know everything and you think you know everything, people know everything, but they don't know anything about how to make it in life. Some know everything, but they don't know anything about themselves. They know nothing about the business we are doing. But what I want you to know is this. I have only 3 things I want to let you know, and then I'll let you go off your business, off your data, and save it for something else. So I think I ambushed everybody here. I ambushed everybody here. I ambush everybody just this afternoon to see how agents some people are to learn to learn about their business. I am not the type who plan things, because I don't plan. My business is my business. Anytime I'm moving, I am moving with my business. Anywhere I go, I move with my business. So I don't plan that today I need to do my business. Today I need to talk to 5 people. Today I need to do this and that. I'm always on the go with my business. And that is the only way you can make it. If you are a worker, you have to be more aggressive than any other person. You have to be more aggressive than any other person in this business. So there's no need for you to say, I don't have time, and you want to plan before you do the business. Man, you are going to be left behind if you are thinking that way. So this afternoon, what I want you to know is very, very simple. In this time, as we are now, a lot of people don't want to go out. A lot of people want to come out and to do something. That's why I sent some of you privately yesterday that just organize 2 or 3, in fact 3 to 5 or 5 to 10 prospects, and then we'll put them into this particular game of Zoom. This is how a lot of people will even you can be at your home with your comfort and let somebody know that this is how the business works. Yesterday, Leslie and Roddick, you guys did so well by arranging for a meeting and then calling me on the set, and then I'm also ready anytime to deliver. So now I've seen a lot of you guys. I've seen a lot of you guys online, and you are doing certain things that is not supposed to be done. You understand? I have been on Facebook and LinkedIn for a very long time in doing my business, but today people keep asking me again that what business at all do you do? They don't even know what I do. I'm not saying that don't mention your company name or don't mention your product name. I have a page that I sell product. I have a page where I preach my company's name. But your Facebook or your pages, your Instagram and stuff, that is your brand. So you need to put value there. You need to celebrate people there. You have to show your lifestyle there. That is how you are going to attract some kind of people. That is how you are going to attract certain group of people to join your business. Now, so first thing you need to do is this. It's all about your mindset. You see, this mindset thing we keep talking about, it's like people don't want to accept it, or I don't know why people just don't want to get it. If you don't have the right mindset, I can tell you how I made it to where I am gotten to today, but you still quit. That is why people come, they join you 3, 4, 5 times, 5 days. They are so excited. They are jumping from one place to another. Every platform you are on, Even when you went to SS, you see the excitement was there. When you went to the university, level 100, 200, the excitement was there. But level 200, 300, sometimes you feel like not even coming to the school again. But you have to keep going. Same way you started Long Beach with some, after you saw the presentation, the first day being me, myself, Papa Solo, Sunny, or whosoever presented to you. The excitement was there. You went home and you couldn't sleep. It has happened to everybody. You went home and you couldn't sleep and you were all over the place. Then quickly, you signed up. You joined the business. 2 days, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months. Now you feel like, oh, the people you know around you already are not joining the business, so you are not going to do it anymore. Anything you do in life, if you are starting a traditional business today, you are going to get to that particular level. You will surely get to that level where let me say, you are going to hit a certain level in your life, in your business, where you feel like just stopping. Sometimes you just come to the office and you are even bored. You see training messages on the page or even at the back office, and then you are bored. It is normal. You are going to get to that stage. But if you don't prepare your mind, that is why when you join our business, you must be on top of your game by listening to particular messages. A lot of messages that you have to be listening to. And if you don't listen to those messages, ladies and gentlemen, you are still going to suffer and you are going to quit. If you don't listen to those messages, it's going to be hard for you. It's going to be hard for you to stay in the game. You need to listen to messages that will transform your soul, your mind, your body. Every time, every day, I listen to something new. You see, you have to be more radical when it comes to feeding your mind. You should be radical. Some of you have known the new album Stonebwoy just released. You can sing from first track to the last track. It's not bad, but what I'm telling you is that you must do productive activities. Feed your mind always with things that will put money into your pocket. This morning you've drank cocoa, then yesterday you've drank cocoa, this afternoon you've taken lunch, you are preparing for supper. That's if you are, God bless you, that money is going. So what are you doing to put money into your pocket? I am not motivating you, but I have to keep letting you know that the job to be done in this business is very simple, and you already know. But the discipline, the undisciplined attitude, the indisciplined attitude in you is what is causing this. So I want you to know now that these 3 things you are supposed to be doing every day all boil down to your mindset. You should be more addicted to your business. Anything you are doing is all about positivity. Anything you are doing is all about personal development. Anything you are doing is all about adding value to yourself for people to now know that you are doing something. That is the only way. Now, what I want you to know is this. In this business, you have one. This is what I do personally that it has fetched me a lot of money. Apart from the ranks and stuff, you need to, when I started playing, you need to have money in your pocket. You need to have money in your pocket to start doing something, to start to keep you going. I was once joining Trotro. How do I have money to keep going? Forget about my work. My business is my business. So I always make sure that the business must fuel my car, like pay my lorry fare. Set aside a target that every week, every day, I'm going to sell a number of products, or every month I need to create customers. There are a lot of people who created customers and they quit the business. Now some of us are benefiting from them. Some of us are benefiting from them because they made the noise and they leave. One, I want to see some of you writing. Some you even mute your videos, so I can't even see you. I want you to know that you must put these things on paper. Set a target that I need to get. Roderick, you are now looking for your pen and your paper, Abby? That's good. Write down that me every month to 30 days. Edna, where's your book and your pen? Every day, I want to sell just 9 toothpaste. The whole month, 30 days. One person can even buy 9 toothpaste. That is I'm doing my 30 PV. See, if you don't do these things, that become part of you, your business will be crawling. Because the more people are using the product, you can turn those people into partners. Some of you are making mistake by just going to attack people to join business, forgetting that not everybody will join your business. That one is a must. You should know. So you should learn how to turn customers into what? Partners. You must be very aware of this. And then you can transform those people into what? So from today, you know, if I want, some of you said you want me to be your mentor. Mentorship is not just something, oh, hey, he's my mentor. No. A mentor holds you accountable. From today, the people who have been receiving messages from me after this training, from tomorrow, I'm going to hold you accountable so that my job will not be in vain. I'm going to be asking for the results you get out of the training. If you are not showing me, if you are not doing them holistically, democratically, I'm going to delete you off my broadcast list so that my data will be concentrated on people who will love me to hold them accountable, people who will want me to let them know that the business is business. We are in business and we are not just joking. Now, apart from setting this side aside, okay, it's not necessarily good to be this product or that product. Say I want to, within this month, I need to sell whether cap or toothpaste or and 30 PV. I want to sell 60 PV, 30 PV. It can be upgrade order. Some of you are still Q silvers because you are not doing sales. I did sales to upgrade to VIP, platinum VIP. I didn't use my pocket money. Where is the OPM? Where is the other people's business? Because you people you defeated yourself mindset-wise, you've defeated yourself. Therefore, you are not able to do all these things. Apart from the 30 PV, take a look. I've compiled a lot of training sessions for you, but because you are not putting them into practice, I can't waste my time to be worrying you to be learning these things. I think it sounds better. Some of you feel that I'm disturbing you, I worry you. Now, apart from that, every day, I want you to get 2 new contacts from today. Wherever you are going to look for those 2 new contacts, please try and look for them today, every day. I'm not saying go and do business presentation to them. You are adding these 2 people to your contact list. If you are not going to do this, ladies and gentlemen, your business will keep crawling and crawling and crawling and crawling. It's not You don't need, for instance, the end time prophet in our churches to prophesy on you. Forget it. If you don't do these things, your business is not going to grow. You need to have a leadership mindset. A leader must move with followers that will you turn them, in fact, potential leaders, or followers that you can transform to become leaders. I've sent this link to a lot of people. I have over 10 broadcast lists. Every broadcast list have 256 people times 10. How many people? But only 19 I'm seeing here. You see how the business works. So if you were in my shoes, would you still be doing this business? I've used my data to send message to over 2,500 to 3,000 people. The time you are receiving that message, over 3,000 people has received it. But only 20 has showed up for this training. Some keeping going, off coming, as if that they know this thing. Knowing is not enough. It is the mindset, it is the heart, it is the discipline that you are going to take, that I am going to make this thing work, and you are going to stay there. This is what you need. The skill set is more important, that when you move from one system to another, you can implement it. Now, these two people you are going to be adding to your list every day. You just add them. You can, when you add them, the following day you start making friend list with them. Friend list with the last time I showed you how I was closing one person from LinkedIn. I sent to most of you guys, and I think you remember. I showed you that principle. Hello, this. I've sent you. When the person reply, follow up with this message. When this one reply, follow up with this message. But some of you has never done it. So I can rest assured believe that the 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people I send those messages to, some didn't even read. But it's normal. I am a leader and I understand, and I've prepared my mindset for all these things. So you are going to be adding these two contacts to your contact list. Then it keep growing. So discipline wise, every day you are going to be at. You are on Facebook. You go to church. You have people. You have now people are at home and they want to do businesses and they are not having the opportunity to do the business. So what is it that you cannot? This is the time you need to produce the highest PV, because the people are sitting, people are losing their jobs. Today I posted an article that people will keep losing their jobs. The job market is not secured anymore. Good. So it is your job now to give them what you have. Keep giving them. Some of them are now asking me, Charlie, the thing, can I join again? Can I join again? Can I join again? What is it? Now, after adding these two, the few people you have around you, partners already, why are they not here? You as a leader, you the one watching me as a leader. Why are your partners not here? If you cannot have two people from your team to join this emergency meeting training, then I am afraid you've not started a business. These people you are bringing, this is the third point. You should make sure you prepare their mind, get them started in this business. That is how the business works. You can't keep doing it every day. That's why I'm wasting my data on you, to train you, to get you into the business, to know that this is how the business works. I hope you are understanding the message. I need to get you involved. I need to let you know that this is how the thing will prepare your mind ahead what you are going to meet in the future, so that when you are meeting it, when it's coming up, you will not be moved. Leaders will grow leaders. You cannot keep having followers following you every day, that you've been in the business, you brought in someone who has been in the business for 5 years, who has been in this business for 10 years, who has been here for 6 months, and the person don't even have, the person has been here for 10 months, and the person will come back to you again every day telling you that I need a stockist number in Kaswa. Where are you not writing them in your book? I keep shouting every day, write them here, write them here, write them here. You will not write them. Now, I am telling you this because if you don't do this, nothing is going to happen. If you don't make this thing work for you, where lies the dream you say you seen as a leader? So you are going to have a target and then you'll be adding 2 people. That's why I started this 2 to 5 every day. 2 to 5 every day. This business is not hard. It's about mindset. This business don't demand a lot of capital to start. Our capital in this business are human beings. So if you don't invest in the people, for the people to build your business for you, it's going to hard. You are surely not going to make it in this business if you don't do what leaders are supposed to do. Leaders grow leaders. If you don't want to be a leader in this our business, if you don't want to be a leader in this our organization, it's going to be hard for you. If you don't want to be a leader, you are not going to make it. People are looking up to you. People's destiny are connected to you by God because God knows that you are the one to lead them to a certain stage. You are going to meet people in this business that they will quit on you. Do you know the number of people who left Archbishop Duncan Williams? Do you know the number of people who insulted Dag Heward-Mills? Do you know the number of people who left despite when he started business? Do you know the number of people who left Papa Solo when he started his journey in this industry? You will surely meet people who will turn their back to you. But as a leader, you should prepare your mind. You should be aware. You should know that these things are inevitable. So they will happen. They must happen. If they don't happen, then your business is not good. If it's not happening, then you are not in business. It will surely happen. It must happen. But you need to go for the skill set. You need to know that before results come, there must be something. Something must be done. And these things will bring the story. Who told you when you join us? Who told you when you just jump into this place and tomorrow next, you will be a billionaire? Yes, God, you've proclaimed, you've affirmed, you told yourself that I am going to make it happen, and God has gotten that message. God is working on you. He's attending to you. You are like a patient. You don't go to the hospital one day and then you expect things to work for you. You don't go to the hospital right now and you expect the doctor to say you are healed, go home. It doesn't work like that. It will never work like that. That is why you need to know that around you, there are enough problems around you for you to get you going. You are a leader. Be up and doing. So I said what? The next thing to do is to do what? Decide to be a leader. Only leaders we need in the current world. The current world is in need of leaders. Leadership is the current skill, is the current currency. If you refuse to be a leader, wherever you go, you need people. Until maybe your dream is not too big. If you can do it alone, then your dream is not big alone. It's not big enough. If you can build the system you want to build, if you want to achieve what you want to achieve in life, and that thing take only you, but not a team to achieve, then you are not, that thing is not big enough. I am telling you that for you to build the bigger system, the people you aspire to be, the people you want to be like, how many of them has done what they've done single-handedly without a team? COVID is here. Yes, people are home. People are looking at you. You have a home-based business. If you don't show it to them, how do you expect them to know that they can get something good from you? You must expose your business. You must tell them that I am this, I am doing this, I am doing this. This is what I have for you. And you can benefit this and this from them. So as a leader, you should put on your leadership coat. You should put on your leadership cap. Like I said, I am going to hold you responsible. I'm going to hold you accountable for whatever I'm giving you right now. If you are not ready to prove otherwise, I will delete you from my leadership list. I will delete you from what? My leadership list. Because what I am giving you must what? Yield result. So if you are not ready, you have to pave way for the people who are ready. Thank you for joining this training. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you. If you have any other question you want to ask, please hold on. Hello? It's going to be hard for you. Captain. If you don't, I'm on a set. I'm doing a training. So let me finish. I'll call you back. If you have anything you want to do, one, every question I know you ask me about this business, I took my time. I did a raw video on them and I uploaded them on YouTube. Team Rise Africa. Just go and type. You will see me there doing a raw explanation. Some of you ask, how do you make money? Your prospect asks you that question. If you cannot explain, why don't you let them watch that video? How would you be paid? I did a video on that. How do you build worldwide, internationally? How to get your stockist numbers from other countries, even in Accra, Kumasi, and stuff, where you are here. It is there, Team Rise Africa, but you will not watch. You come to the group and you ask the same question. Are you a leader? You need to equip yourself. I can work with you. I can work by you. I cannot work for you. I can help you along the line. Oh, Ras, I need some help. I need this. That is why I say, I just tell you that organize people. Let me use my own data. Come online like this. Do presentation for them.